Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Philip Colbridge here presenting to you a beautiful new listing. Very special in every regard of the property and the unique custom built house. So the sellers actually designed the house themselves. The husband was a builder, the wife was an interior designer, and there's a special treat for you here because it's all staged. We're just over 2,400 square feet. 4 huge bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and you can see the area is to die for. We are literally a hop, skip, and a jump away from Maitland on basically the other side of the street. We're in Seminole County here. No HOA, okay? And then at the other end of the street is Kewannee Park, which is kind of like a trailhead and lots to offer there, you know, for families, whatnot, and park activities. But then you have the Cross-Seminole Trail going literally right here on the other side of the CUL-DE-SAC that the house sits at the end of. So every word I can say is an upgrade, is a benefit, is something unique to offer of this property. Of course, come in person, but let's go take a little preview inside and show you more. Thank you. All right, so welcome in. We enter immediately into the family room, okay? We have the formal dining room off to my right here, nicely set. And beyond that, we have the laundry room and then garage access, as you notice, to the huge driveway outside. And then we have wraparound access, okay? Very modern for the house's time, the direct access to the master closet, which you will see in photos and in person, of course. Okay, and we'll get to the rest there. On this side, we have the private office, okay, which acts as the second bedroom. 2 entrances to it with a nice pocket door here, a full bathroom, and then the third bedroom in the far northeast corner of the house. Okay, right here in the center, we have a beautiful gas burning fireplace. And now I'm gonna let you take in the rest. I'm gonna meet you around here in the kitchen. So you'll notice the nook here overlooking the back, which we'll show you in a bit. Fully upgraded kitchen here as well. First of all, everything's gas, including a tankless water heater in the house. And granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets with custom moldings, crown molding everywhere, 5¼ inch baseboards, 12-foot ceilings, double sink. I mean, you name it. You got to see it here in person. Like I said, every breath there's going to be another upgrade, right? So lots to offer. Let's come this way to show you the whole thing. The master wing of the house is actually on this side, and you can see that beautifully staged, as well as the master bathroom and that master closet. And then come with me, we're going to go check out the surprise. Surprise, we are in the expansive Florida room here. Beautiful high 16-foot ceilings, fully enclosed, fully heated square footage here. It's actually the 4th bedroom. We have a closet, we have a full bathroom behind you there, and even almost a full kitchen. We have gas burners and a fridge here as well. It could be a wine bar, it could be a lot, outdoor grill, even though you're indoors, and so make it yours, kind of 365. Lots to offer in this beautiful house. We have the backyard, as you can see in the photos. Plenty of space, beautiful awning, room for a pool, a fire pit, you name it. Dogs, kids can run around. Lots and lots and lots to offer here. So we'll let that sink in. Come, see the description, see the photos, and schedule your showing today. Thank you again, Phil Colbridge here, and we'll see you soon.